everyone. It's January 6th, 2026, and this is Phenomena's Astro Tidbits. Today we have a stellium in Capricorn. A stellium is 3 or more planets that are in one sign. And today we have the Sun at 15 degrees, Venus at 15 degrees, and Mars at 16 degrees, which means they're conjunct, in other words, moving together, working together in tandem. And Mercury's not far behind, just 10 degrees at 6. It's moved since then, but so we've got 4 things going on in Capricorn. And then we've got Saturn and Neptune that are conjunct, only 3 degrees away from each other at 26 and 29 degrees of Pisces. What does that mean? These two, Saturn and Neptune, are sextile to the Capricorn planets that I was just telling you about. So they're all working in a very positive flow. Capricorn likes things stable, organized. They're realistic, and it brings things into fruition. Saturn rules Capricorn, so that is doubly so with this configuration. But Neptune is the planet of dreams and aspirations and imagination. So I would think that this would be telling us that things that we have been dreaming about, have aspirations about, have the promise right now of coming into fruition, to actual being, into reality. So use this for the good going forward. And I'm using the 2026 ephemeris from the Llewellyn's Daily Planetary Guide that I show you in the last video that I made. And I've talked to you about it many times before. But what's great about the ephemeris is it tells you where all the planets are every single day at either noon or midnight. It gives you the exact minute and degree of where they are in the zodiac. And so obviously the different planets move at different speeds, and we'd have to do some mathematical calculations to be able to figure out specifically where something is at a particular minute of the day. But this gives you a general idea of what kind of flavor the planet is entered into and walking through that particular day. It shows you patterns. For instance, I noticed, I'm so old, that in 76, 96, and 2016, so every 20 years, something very dramatic happened to me that was out of my control, and it forced me to, in 77, 97, and 2017, to actually move forward in a different direction pretty much on my own. So when you can see patterns that are coming up, you can kind of prepare for them ahead of time. So I hope that helped you today, and see you again.